there are quite a few technology companies that I would call mature technology companies, and when we're looking for growth, they're not necessarily the names we think are going to outperform over the next year or 2 years or 3 years. And so we are actively underweight them, and we're very comfortable actively being underweight them. So, that's a way that we think it's our job to try to add to outperformance of the fund by finding names that we think are better than those. We're always kind of asking ourselves, can we do better? We know we can own some of these large cap tech names that are in our benchmark and will perform in line with the benchmark, but certainly we should be able to do better than that, because we think we can find things that are growing faster and have better growth prospects and have better returns over a long period of time, where we think we really can add to performance. So, when I think about active share, it kind of gets back to that question of, can you do better? Can you do better than what's in the index? Can you do better than the largest name in your index? And sometimes you may think the names in your index are terrific names, in which case we actively go overweight those names and try to add to performance there by finding the jewels that are in the index. Sometimes we think the names in the index are not where we can create the best performance. And so it's really a function of not using the index as the driver for how we create the fund, but using our bottom-up analysis as the driver for how we create the fund, and the index is just sort of a check to say, what is everybody else looking at when they're creating their fund, and how are we different?